Hello, Blue Apple students. Welcome to the Risky Business Simulator. What this tool will do is it will let you pretend to take $100 and invest it and see what happens in a high risk, medium risk, and safe investment. All you have to do is type in the green box over here. We're going to change the test number. So if we just write a 1 here and you watch all these numbers, when I click enter, it's going to change. And what that's going to do is it's going to pretend to invest that $100 in the 3 different types of investment. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see what happens over a long period of time. So you can see that after 50 years, the risky investment has grown to $145,254, way more than the other two. But that won't always be the case. If we try it again and again, you can see that sometimes the results are different. In this case, if we scroll down, you can see that although the risky investment is far more at year 47, by the end, it actually is less than the medium risk investment. So just because risky investments usually perform better doesn't mean that they always will. So what you will get to do is you'll get to do lots of different trials, and you'll get to see what type of investment normally performs the best. Enjoy.